Isa sa mga ipinagmamalaki natin mga Pilipino, tayo ay isang Kristiyanong bansa. I think 86% of Filipinos are Christians and majority of those Christians are Catholics. Di ba? Maraming Katoliko. Pero bakit ganito ang buhay natin? Sino ba yung mga nangungurakot sa gobyerno? Hindi ba't mga Katoliko ang karamihan sa kanila? Graduate pa nga ng Catholic school. Sino ba yung mga contractors na yan? Hindi ba't yan ay mga taong masasabi nating nabinyagan? We are very proud of saying we are Christian nation. But how come our country is like this? Quality over quantity. Because I believe we will enter into heaven not because we attended so much number of masses, not so much because we prayed so many rosaries. We will enter heaven because of the quality of our life. I am not saying attending Mass is not important. Okay? I am not saying that. I am not saying that not praying the rosary is not important. I am not saying that praying the novena to the perpetual help is not important. They are important. But they have to be combined with quality of life. Kasi, anong gusto ninyong marinig kapag kayo ay namatay at kumakatok kayo sa pinto ng langit? Anong gusto ninyong marinig? Ang sabihin ni Jesus, hindi ko kayo kilala. O sabihin ni Jesus, halika, you belong to me. You are mine. Amen.